Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Portmore and we're going to take a look at Sovereign Village. It's a very successful plaza in Portmore. It's not the largest, but it's probably the second largest. Portmore Mall is larger. So that's the shopping center on the left, Sovereign Village. Now, we have a formula for what constitutes or what will make a plaza successful. You need three things: build a plaza in a populated area, have a major supermarket in there, and when I say major, like this one has Progressive Foods, a very large supermarket chain, and have food stores in there. And this plaza is built in Portmore, one of the largest population centers in Jamaica. It has Progressive Foods, which is one of the nicest supermarkets in Jamaica. It's a huge supermarket. And you have so many food stores in here. You have Subway, you have Fish Pot, you have Wendy's, you have Island Grill. So they have all the bases covered. So naturally, this is a very successful plaza. So we're just going to take a quick tour and drive through the plaza. Now, just to highlight something, there is another plaza built right beside this one. You can drive from this plaza over to the other plaza. And the other plaza does not do well because it's built in the same location, but they have no supermarket over there. Same thing with Millennium Mall in Clarendon. They built this massive plaza, one of the biggest plazas in Jamaica. One of, not the biggest. And the plaza is empty. Probably 10 stores in the plaza. Okay, so this is Sovereign Village. That's a supermarket over there on the right. I'm just going to drive down here and then continue the tour. So, okay. You see the stop sign, stop now leaving Sovereign Village. So we're now going over to the other plaza, which is Sunshine Mall. Sunshine Outlet Mall. And you see how empty this parking lot is. Inside the plaza is even worse because they don't have any supermarket over here and they don't have the food stores like the other one. So both plazas are built in the exact same location. Remember, it's three things: location, the supermarket, and food stores. And this one is it has less traffic, far less traffic than the one right beside it, because the one Progressive Foods is in Sovereign Village along with all the food stores we mentioned earlier. So that just gives you an example, just highlighting of how important it is to have all three things. Alright, so we're back in Sovereign Village now and we're going to continue the tour. So that's a supermarket, Progressive Foods on the left. Now with Millennium Mall, they are trying to open a supermarket now. It hasn't opened yet, but they're trying to. One is moving in, so hopefully they can salvage something from that mall. Okay, but this is Sovereign Village. Okay, over there on the right is another. It's a massive building. I'm not sure what it is. I'm going to check it out. If anybody knows what that building to the right is going to be used for, okay, this building over here, it's a massive building. I remember seeing it under construction, but I don't know what it's going to be, what it's all about. So if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Okay, so here is the Wendy's, and then you have a Domino's pizza beside it. Very popular mall, does very well. There's an Express Fitness, a Monarch Pharmacy. And Sovereign Village. There have quite a few Sovereign plazas around Jamaica. They're building one in Mandeville. We have videos up for the construction. You can track the progress on the channel. You have the main Sovereign Plaza in Ligoni. That was the first one. Very successful plaza. You have Sovereign North. You have Sovereign on the Boulevard. Alright, so I'm just going to spin back around and let you get a nice view of the front of the supermarket. Okay, so this is a nice view of the front of Progressive Foods, and they have 4 Progressive Food supermarkets in Jamaica. You have this one in Portmore, you have 2 in Montego Bay. One is actually at Fairview, which is the largest plaza in Jamaica, and you have one in Ocho Rios. Okay, the main entrance to the mall now is on the left, where you see Fish Pot. Between the fish pot and the digital signs, that's the main entrance to the plaza. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us, and this is a very good plaza to use as an example of what we talk about, what you need for a successful plaza. Because the Sunshine Mall is built right beside this plaza, so in terms of location they have it covered, but they didn't have the supermarket and they didn't have the food stores, and that's why that plaza does not do as well as this one. So it was a very good example to use. And the same Millennium Mall in Clarendon has the same problem, even worse. That plaza is huge. We have videos up of the plaza, you can check it out and you'll see how empty it is. We actually call it, well, no, we won't go there, but you can look at the videos and see how huge a plaza is, how large it is, how many stores, and it's empty. I mean, 90% of the stores are empty, all because they did not have a supermarket. I'm not sure if it was built in the right location, because that plaza was built because of size, not location. But guys, you can check it out. The video is up with driving through and giving a full detail or full explanation as to what's going on with the plaza. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. We look forward to the comments, and we learn a lot, and we also include a lot of the information in future videos. So leave your comments and let us know what you think of the videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.